Hello and welcome to Diecast YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you this beautiful casting by Norev. So this is my first ever Norev casting. So this is if you guys not familiar with this brand, this is a French brand. And it's not that popular in Australia, and also they're most of the time they're doing 1:18 scale diecast cars, European cars. But anyway, I saw their Instagram page and saw this beautiful casting, so just I thought to give it a go, to check the quality of this casting and stuff. So there you go. I bought this one like an year ago at the but now only I took this thing out and I took some photos. Anyway, so this is a French brand, and this particular model is Renault Megane, whatever. So Renault Megane. So this is Megane RS. Let's open this one. This is with a popular model car brand in Australia as well. So there's a thing for hot hatches these days around the world. So Ford Focus, Audi RS, Audi RS3, yeah, Renault Megane. Those are the leading ones. Volkswagen Polo, Hyundai i3, yeah, sort of thing, i30. So this one is, wow, it's a pretty cool casting. It has a plastic base, and those are riveted to the main body. It says Norev, Renault Megane RS, and you can see it's pretty detailed one. And see these wheels. These are not rubber wheels, or they're plastic, but check these details on the rims. Very realistic and beautiful. These are the license rims, I guess. Oh, this casting is a nice one. So if you check the details, this is left-hand drive version, obviously, because it's a European car. Black color side mirrors. I like this yellow. I have a thing for yellow cars. I have that yellow Toyota Supra, which is very beautiful, and I'm pretty sure this one is very, very, very nice for photos as well. So see the front headlights, Renault logo, Megane RS, the number plate, and see all these details. So this is not a plastic headlight, so it's a sort of a printed one, but very realistic and details. And see these fog lights. Wow, this is beautiful. All right, sides, you have all these details on side as well. Detailed door handles as well. And check this out. Check the rear. Wow. So you have all the details in rear as well. Tail lights, Renault logo, number plate. Wow, beautiful. Even the exhaust pipe as well. Very beautiful casting, and see these small light details as well. Sorry about the out focus thing. Wow, so this is pretty cool casting. No shock absorbers, but it rolls pretty well. That's the main thing, So yeah, I bought this from eBay seller. I can't remember the seller's name, but I'll check that one and put the link below. So yeah, pretty cool casting. So let's see what they're gonna do in future releases. So I might buy a couple of my favorite European cars in this brand. So guys, thanks for watching. This is just a quick video to show this beautiful casting to you guys. So don't forget to subscribe me, like, share this video and follow me on Instagram as well. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next see you with another video soon. Bye.